Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel AZ Education Adda. In this lecture, we will discuss one important problem of mathematics. Before starting the discussion, I would like to tell you if you want more important problem of mathematics, you can visit our website education-adda.com. Link of the website is also available in the description box of this video. So how you will get the question? See, you need to visit education-adda.com, then go to menu option and select academics adda. In academics adda, you need to select math important questions. One more thing, all these important questions are available in the form of video lectures which you will get on our YouTube channel, and the playlist is titled as math important questions. Okay friends, coming back to the given question. See what is given here? Three functions are given. Fx equal to under root x plus 3, gx equal to twice of x plus 9, and hx equal to x by 4. Okay, now we have to evaluate f of g of 12. So this is a composite function, and in part B we have to evaluate h of f of 61. Okay, and part C we have to find a function mx which will be equal to g of hx. Okay, and part D we have to find a function px such that px equal to g of fx. Okay, so one by one we will discuss. See, given functions are fx equal to under root x plus 3, gx equal to twice of x plus 9, and hx equal to x by 4. Let this be equations 1, 2 and 3. Okay. In part A, we have to evaluate f of g of 12. So in order to find this, first we need to find g of 12. So how we can find g of 12? So what we will do, we will substitute x equal to 12 in given equation 1. Sorry, in given equation 2, because g of 12 we have to find. So in gx we need to substitute x equal to 12. So we will get g12 as twice of 12 plus 9, which will be equal to 33. Okay. Now we have to evaluate f of g of 12. So now we know the value of G12 as 33. Okay. So we have to find the value of f of 33. So by substituting x equal to 33 in fx, which is our equation number 1, we will get f of g of 12 equal to under root 33 plus 3. So it will be under root 36, or f of g of 12 will be equal to 6. Now in part B, we have to evaluate h of f of 61. So by substituting x equal to 61 in fx, we will get f of 61 equal to under root 61 plus 3, which will be equal to under root 64, and f of 61 will be equal to 8. Therefore, we can evaluate h of f of 61 by substituting f of 61 as 8. Okay, so now we have to find h8 and substituting x equal to 8 in the given function hx. Okay, hx equal to x by 4. Okay, so substituting x equal to 8, we will get 8 by 4, so it will be equal to 2. So h of f of 61 will be equal to 2. Now we need to find a function mx such that mx equal to g of hx. So hx is given as x by 4. Therefore mx will be equal to g of hx, or g of x by 4, because hx equal to x by 4. And now we know from the given function gx equal to 2x plus 9. So substituting x equal to x by 4, we will get 2x by 4 plus 9. So mx will be equal to x by 2 plus 9. Okay. Now in part D, we have to find a function px which is equal to g of fx. So fx is given as under root x plus 3. Therefore, px we can find as g of fx or g of under root x plus 3. So substituting x by under root x plus 3 in gx, okay, we will get 2 under root x plus 3 plus 9. Therefore, px will be equal to 2 under root x plus 3 plus 9. Okay, friends. So in this lecture, we have discussed one important problem of mathematics. Okay, thank you.